Sometimes, life does not break you suddenly. Sometimes, it breaks you quietly. One disappointment at a time.
He said you cannot give him children.
Every night, I waited for his call, like rain waiting for clouds. I kept believing distance could never destroy love.
He left me barren.
Conception may be difficult.
Doctors touched my body, but nobody saw the wounds inside my heart. The man I prayed for became the man who destroyed me. And somehow, the pain of betrayal hurts more when it comes from the person you love.
Once I settle abroad, everything will change.
Promise you won't forget me.
You are my home.
Who was that?
Network is bad.
I waited 7 years.
People think tears are weakness, but sometimes tears are the sound of a soul drowning.
Once I settle abroad, everything will change.
Promise you won't forget me.
You are my home.
A tree without fruit can still give shade.
Not every closed wound means a closed destiny. Sometimes God delays one blessing to reveal a greater purpose. I stopped asking God, why me? And I finally asked, Lord, what are you trying to build inside me? The same pain that almost buried me became the seed that changed my life.
Footsteps stitch a path back from the places grief has crossed. Ocean loosens like a cold and warming air. Roots pulling steady.
You plan to kill me!
You married me for children. I married you for survival.
You thought you could escape me. It's all mine now.
Money filled my house, but emptiness filled my soul. I traded loyalty for temporary pleasure and lost everything. I kept telling myself I deserved happiness, while destroying the person who once gave me peace. The pain finally returned to me, wearing a different face. Amara, forgive me. I was weak.
You betrayed our family. Restore my spirit.
I ruined everything.
God restores broken things. He still forgive me? He forgave me too. Forgiveness does not erase pain. It simply refuses to let pain become poison. Sometimes God allows people to hit darknesses so they can finally see the light.
She had every reason to hate me. But somehow, her mercy looked like Jesus.
Congratulations. It's triplets.
Thank you, Jesus.
God never forgot us.
After all the waiting, after all the shame, after all the nights I thought God forgot me, He was still writing me. Sometimes God allows the breaking so He can rebuild something greater.
Mercy gave us another beginning. Some people will leave your life thinking they buried you, not knowing God planted you. I left searching for what I thought was missing, only to discover I abandoned the greatest blessing God ever gave me.
I held my breath between the heartbeats, afraid to move. I forgive, I let the sorrow go. I forgive, a quiet light begins to grow. I lift the broken pieces, let them fall where they belong. I come back to mercy, steady, soft and strong. A slow river pulled the grief from me, steady. Sure, spoke the names of small
woman
lost
they call
things, the
barren
broken and the pure.
became a
Ancestors
mother,
answered in the echoes of the
a
land's
healer,
long breath.
a light rebuilds broken
Each
lives.
morning taught my tired feet
Some
the careful
stories
way to
entertain
stand.
you.
A gentle saving found its place.
Others
Warm in my palm.
changing you.
And sometimes, the fastest way to heal is simply to laugh. What if the stories that shaped the world could reshape you from the inside out?
Brave new hearts. Forgiveness is a river, and we are learning how to bend. I give myself, I give us, and I begin again. I forgive, the weight unravels from my bones. I forgive, the horizon writes me back home. Morning hands lift me where the wounded learn to mend. I rest redeemed, held by mercy without end.